How to edit a post on Instagram after posting. So to do that, now after you open your Instagram app like this, so now go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now as you can see now at the bottom, you will be able now to see all your posts that you made on your Instagram. So let's say now I want to edit this post. As you can see now, this one, now open the post you want to edit. So tap on this. As you can see now, this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this edit section. So under this edit section, now it will allow you to do many things to this post. As you can see now, the first one, now it will allow you to add description. As you can see now, you can be able to edit the description, and you can be able now to tag some people under the text under the post. And at the top, as you can see now, you can be able now to add like paid partnership, and you can be able to edit the location of the post that you made. But you cannot be able to edit the image itself that you posted. As you can see now, there is no way for you to add like filter or to crop the image after you post it. The only way you can do it only if you want to like edit the original photo or original picture on your Instagram. Tap on this cancel button. After you tap on this cancel button, tap on this three dot again. So after you tap on this three dot, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this where it says archive. After you archive the image, now as you can see now you hide the image on your Instagram account. You can go ahead and edit the image. After you finish editing the image, then you can come and upload it on Instagram with your edition that you want to make. That's it guys on how to edit a post on Instagram after posting. Hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.